All right. Welcome back to Crypto Lodge. Let me make sure I got my microphone turned back on. Yes, I do. Let me get rid of this. And it's a pretty good day in the market. Let's take a look at Coinbase. A lot of things are up today. The whole market's up 4%. Teller's up 17%. Bitcoin's up 5%. Ethereum's up 4%. Binance Coin is 7%. Cardano's up 5%. Dogecoin had a little pullback of 4%. No big deal. We're still up 21% since the announcement that they would be listed on the exchange. I knew Polkadot would show some movement soon, but let's look at top movers. Because what do I always say? Kusama's going to continue to outperform Polkadot. Even though Polkadot shows up on the list with the 25 billion market cap, Kusama has the 3 billion market cap. And it's doing what Kusama does, just one step ahead, honestly. Kusama gets the updates first. And it's a little predictable here. Algorand smart contracts up 14%. Theta video streaming up 12%. Atom Cosmos interoperability up 10%. The Graph, Great Oracle, GraphQL up 10%. Neo had to make a comeback. Solana's just a great blockchain. Monero's just going to be around forever. VeChain's great smart contract platform. Polkadot's coming with the parachains. Avalanche is a great smart contract platform. And notice the trend here is smart contracts. Cardano, Ethereum, Algorand, Neo, Solana, VeChain, Polkadot, Avalanche. So these are all smart contract platforms. And Cardano down here. Little old Cardano down here at 5%. Little old Cardano at $1.86. Beautiful. Only 59 billion market cap. 59 billion market cap for Cardano. And Bitcoin is back under $1 trillion. It's 730 billion market cap. Let's take a look at Doge. The Dogecoin. This is not where the best gains are going to be, obviously. But it had a great week. This is the weekly. Stop. This is the weekly chart. Doesn't really give you much detail, but it shows you how much we've come up. I think my plug came out. Sure did. My apologies if you hear the lawnmower outside. I shut the window, but so from wick to wick, we're only 64% from all-time high with Dogecoin. Heh, meh. Let's move on to something that's going to have more gains. Luna. Let's go on the daily. Let's get rid of my projection, so I don't want to get hopes up. So it doesn't look like much to you because of how hard Luna crashed. %, it came down. I gotta change that. That was just for something else. We've come back up 89% already. That little tiny movement to you, that's almost 100% in 12 days. I gotta change this back to that. There we go. Yes, that little move is 86% in 11 days. 79% in 11 days. And guess how much further it has to go? 446% just to get back to where Luna was. And despite Luna, Terra dropping 80%, usage has never been higher. Sentiment has never been higher. So there is one of my top picks. Another top pick is Phantom. I don't know what Phantom is up today, but everything's up today. Let's look at Phantom. Phantom's up 16% today. There you go, buddy. With a market cap of under 1 billion, guys. Phantom's an amazing token. And let's look at the Atari change today. What's it doing? Up 20% to 13 cents today. Beautiful Atari. 77 million market cap. This is the real Atari company. And they got an exchange announcement coming by the end of next week, the CEO said. So by the 12th. So that's interesting. And let's take a look at Bitcoin because the man's just doing big things. We got to talk about the big guy. We got to talk about the big guy. We got to get rid of all my old stuff. And look at that. Look at that. This is just a little rounded off stop on its way up to a higher place. We're gonna see moves like this happen. And this would let me remind you that this was all natural growth here. All of this was natural growth. There was no accelerant. There was no. I mean, the accelerant is inflation, I guess. But there was no large crash before the price did this. So if it did it once, it'll do it again, especially after a crash that shouldn't have happened. Now look at where Bitcoin is once it just does what it did just a few months ago. It goes to 84K. And how long? How long did it take before? Well, I think we're going to get there quicker this time, but last time it took 124 days. That'd be a gain of 100% in 124 days. That's like 1% a day, but I don't think that's how it's going to play out. I think we're going to see something more like this since we had such a sudden drop. So I think we will be reaching that 100K a lot sooner than people think. Here's 76K in 17 days. And here's 100K in 42 days. I see it happening. I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And I'm going to call that a stream. Like and subscribe.